focusing on?
What are you doing?
Huh? I'm just gonna chat.
Okay.
So you really do have a nice property here. What are you looking to do?
Well, I'm looking to downsize to simplify my life.
Why? This seems pretty nice.
It's a lot of work. I'm a flight attendant, so with me being on the road, it's a lot of work to keep up by myself.
The horses.
Well, the horses,
the
it's
property,
the property that it's an acre.
Yeah.
So it's a lot by yourself to take care of, and it's costly, as well when I'm gone, having to pay for
Somebody takes
animal care.
care.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what advice would you give somebody that's thinking about moving down to Arizona, and that might be looking at property like this?
I mean, this is it's a great location. Everything is within 5 to 15 minutes away. I mean, you can't beat the location.
Well, let's talk about the location. Why?
Because you're close to PV Mall, which is probably 7 minutes away. You're less than 10 minutes to Scottsdale. You're close to Desert Ridge. There's restaurants, coffee shops, grocery stores. Everything you need is right here. And then you're close, if you're into horses, you're close to Westworld. That's about a 10 to 12 minute drive. There's walking and biking trails close by. There's a park a couple blocks away. I mean, it's an ideal location.
It really is. I live, not too far from here, and I love this area. What are some of the things that you find yourself doing on your free time when you're not traveling?
I basically am a homebody. I'm at home taking care of the animals, spending time with the animals. That's kind of my way of relaxing.
Now, do you ever trailer the horses out of here?
No, they're kind of content just staying put where they are.
Okay.
They're basically like dogs.
So as far as that goes, it's pretty easy to maintain them. Now, do you ride them then around the property?
Once in a while around the property, but it's not ideal setup around the neighborhood for riding. I mean, I suppose you could go down the end of the block, and there's a walking and biking trail. You could go down as far as Bell, and then it's just that you can't get across the busy street.
Now, if somebody was to come down here and buy the horses, are you selling the horses with the property?
If they wanted them, that's an option.
Okay. And then are they rideable?
Yeah, well, they're both rideable. Cruz is a retired jumper. He's a Holsteiner. He is between 18 and 19, and Gabby is an Arabian. She came with the property when I purchased it, and she's about 22, 23.
Okay.
And they're both rideable. They probably need a little refresher because they've been sitting for a little bit, but they're both good, solid horses.
Now, if somebody was going to get a horse trailer to trailer them and ride them, more of a trail ride, what's the closest trail would it be?
Horse Lovers Park is probably 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
And where's that at?
That's, where the MIM is? How do I?
Yep.
Okay, so the 101 and, is that?
Yeah, kind of over there, just
is that
north of
called
Bell.
Tatum, right? Is
Tatum,
that- yeah.
Tatum, yeah, just south of Tatum and the 101. So that whole area, and then
And then also
40th Trail.
the 40th Trail, yeah.
Yep, that's
That's
pretty close
probably
here too.
even closer.
Yeah,
So less than 10 minutes.
yeah, that's it. That's
So if you have a
5 minutes.
trailer, and you could definitely do that.
Yeah. So that's kind of nice.
Or you could even, I mean, my neighbor takes hers to the park once in a while. You could do that as well if your horses are fine with traffic and stuff like that.
Okay. All right. What are some of the other things? So a lot of my clients are from out of state. They're thinking about coming down to Arizona, retiring. A lot of them are from Minnesota, don't you know?
Don't you know? You
Yeah.
betcha.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Now you're originally from Minnesota.
I'm from Minnesota too. Yeah.
How do you like it? How do you adjust it to Arizona life since
I love it.
coming down?
I love it. I would never go back to Minnesota.
Yeah,
Yeah.
be pretty hard to
You
get me
couldn't
back.
pay me to go back.
So you've found your place in love Arizona because of what are some of the other reasons?
The climate is obvious, and I'm a flight attendant, so I'm close to where I need to be for work. And just the fact that you can have horses right in the city limits.
Isn't it?
I mean,
Amazing?
it's amazing. Yeah, like in the Midwest, you have to drive like a good 45 minutes to an hour, and here you can have horses right in the city limits.
Yeah. So
And
there's
yeah.
the advantages to that. Now, a couple other things you've done in the past is you actually Airbnb'd this house out.
Right.
How'd that go, and what was that like?
It was nice. I did it probably a total of 6 months. And the only reason, I mean, the money was good. It's just that my dog, my other shepherd that I had at the time, he had anxiety really bad. And it wasn't fair to the animals.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, because then in the other section, I stayed in that section and then I Airbnb'd the main house.
Oh, okay. What type of rents did you end up getting at that
I
time?
was getting 4,000 and that was like off season.
Oh, okay.
So you probably get 6,000 during the season.
Oh, really? That much?
Yeah.
That's per week?
No,
Or
no,
per month?
Per month.
Okay, all right.
Obviously, if you do the shorter, you can get more if you do by the day versus the month.
Uh-huh.
But with me traveling, it was too hard to keep up on that.
Okay.
It's easier for me to just do it for the whole month than to do it by the weekend, 2 or 3 days, because then you're constantly having to do the cleaning and all the upkeep, and it's a lot of work. So I think the longer term rentals are better.
A little bit better,
Yeah.
easier to
'Cause
handle.
Yeah, because I had the one family that was here. They ended up extending, and they were here like 4 months.
Wow. Wow. And the RV hookup out there, that kind of makes it nice. So if you have out of town
Because I
guests.
even rented that spot out
Yeah.
too. You get about I was doing it for a friend, so 600 a month, but you could probably even get a little bit more than that if you wanted to.
Yeah, so there's more income potential on a property like this that gives you an acre inside the.
Right, or you could even live in the main house and rent out this section in the RV hookup.
Yeah.
Or you could put another property, or like a ADU, or
Yeah.
or split the lot and put another house in the back.
Yeah. Yeah. This property has a lot going for it. There's a lot of versatility in this property. So if you guys are looking for a property down here in the Phoenix, Scottsdale, PV area, this is
it.
it's going to be under $1 million. If you have any questions, reach out to me. All my information will be down below. Give me a call. I'll catch you guys later.
Thank you.
See,